You will be able to get your advert running as soon as possible if you pay attention to what I want to share with you right in today's video. I know malicious software is one of the issues affecting a lot of advertisers on Google. I have been there before and I've been able to solve the problem again and again, and I know everything you need to know in order for you to be able to solve the problem so that you can start advertising your business on Google. So right in this video, I will share with you everything you need to know about malicious software issue on Google Ads and how you can overcome the problem so that you can run your advertisement without facing any challenges. So right now, the first important thing I want to talk about is what exactly are the causes of malicious software on Google Ads. I have some of them highlighted on this slide and I'm going to explain everything. The first one is null plugin. Nowadays, a lot of people use WordPress to build their website, and one of the beauty of WordPress is you have a lot of plugins that you can use to enhance the functionalities of your website. Now, among the plugins, some of them are free, some of them are premium. If you are using some premium plugin on your website but you did not get the plugin directly from the developers, there's possibilities that the plugin has been null by some other developers. And one of the things about null plugin is that there might be some hidden codes embedded in those plugins, and those codes could be very dangerous to the users of your website. So when Google come to the website and they notice that some codes are embedded in the plugin and these codes could be dangerous to the users of the website, this can start triggering the malicious software issue on your Google Ads account. And in order for you to be able to solve this type of problem, you need to go ahead and remove such plugin on your website. That is in case the plugin has not infected all of your website. But if this plugin has infected all of your website, then you might need to do thorough cleansing of your website so that when Google scan the website, they will not detect any kind of malicious software on the website, and this will help you to solve the problem and you will be able to run your advertisement on Google. That is the first reason why this problem might be happening on your Google Ads account. The second one is if you are using some custom script on your website. Custom script, particularly those one handling data capture and transfer. I've experienced this a couple of times, and that is the exact reason why I decided to explain about it right now. When you are using some custom software or custom script on your website, for example, CRM script that helps you to capture users' data and transfer the data to a third-party platform, this type of scripts can be seen as malicious software by Google. And in most cases, this is due to the fact that many of these CRM platforms are not well recognized, or the mode of writing their code is not very clean. So when Google notices that the code is not as clean as possible, then this can trigger malicious software issue on your Google Ads account. And when that happens, you will not be able to advertise on Google Ads. So how you can fix this problem is by going ahead to remove that script on your website so that when Google scan the website again, they will not find any kind of malicious script on the website, and then you'll be able to run your advert without problem. And another thing you can do is you can use a bridge page in order for you to be able to advertise your business. Let's say, for example, this particular script is very important for you to be able to capture some data and send them directly to your CRM platform. Now, you cannot remove this particular script on your website, but since you have been trying to advertise and send traffic directly to the page, you realize that the advert has been disapproved due to malicious software. So what you can do is you can create another page and use that page as the landing page and redirect people from that page. After clicking on button, take them directly to the page where you have the script where people can submit their information, and that way you will be able to advertise, especially if you have been able to identify that the script is the exact reason why Google is triggering malicious software on your Google Ads account. So that is the other reasons why this problem can happen, and you can go ahead and fix the problem either by removing the script on your website or by creating a new page and redirect the traffic back to the script page so that you can continue to capture your information and send them to your CRM platform. So that is the second reason I've observed, and this has prevented a lot of people from advertising, because at the end of the day they realize that the script they are using is not a bad script, but Google is saying it because the script is capturing some data and Google sees this data as sensitive information, and then they don't want that to happen, and that is why they are preventing you from being able to advertise using that particular page on your website. So that is the second reason. And the third one I have right here is if your website is actually hacked. This is probably the main reason why a lot of people are facing the issues of malicious software on Google Ads. A lot of websites have been hacked, and when the hacker eventually get access to the website, they execute a lot of codes on the website, and when Google see this code, they decide to disable your advert because those codes can steal information from the users, and this can be very disastrous. So Google don't want your users to have any bad experience on the website. That is why when they notice that some codes are executing on the website and this code can be very sensitive or can capture some information without your consent, they will go ahead and disable the advert until you go ahead and fix the problem. And one of the major reasons why a lot of people get hacked is because they are using null plugin on their website. So if your website has been hacked and you realize that Google is triggering the issues of malicious software on your advert, the right thing you have to do is to go ahead and do thorough cleansing of your website. If you don't know how to do this, you might want to go ahead and hire somebody who will be able to do that for you. I have someone who can do that efficiently and effectively, and the person will be able to clean your website completely. So if you are facing that problem and you realize that probably your website has been hacked, you can go ahead and send a message to me, and then I'll be able to help you in that regard. So this is the third reasons why you might be seeing malicious software on Google Ads. So how you can fix this problem is to go ahead and clean your website thoroughly before you resubmit your advertisement on Google. Now that you have been able to see the major reasons why this problem could happen on Google Ads, let's go ahead and look at the next important question that people have been asking me about the issues of malicious software on Google Ads. Most people asked, does malicious software issue affect the entire website? Now let's look at it this way. If your website is hacked, there's possibility that this issue will affect the entire website. However, if you are using some plugin, there's possibility that it doesn't affect the entire website, and when you remove the plugin, you might be able to advertise your business without facing any problem. And again, if you are using some custom script that captured and transfer data, that could be the reason why you are facing the problem. So if you go ahead and remove that script, you might be able to advertise your business. So whether it's going to affect the entire website or not will be determined by the major reasons why you are facing that problem in the first place. So if the reason is because the website has been hacked, definitely it's going to affect the entire website. So that is just what you need to know about that. Now that you have been able to see why this problem can come up or how you can fix it, let's look at the fastest way you can fix the issue in case the previous methods have not been working for you. I have two major ways I would recommend for you to fix the problem if you are facing it right on Google Ads. The first one is to go ahead and create a new website. And when you are creating the new website, make sure you are not copying anything directly from the infected website to the new website. Create a new website from scratch and make everything as clean as possible. If you don't know the exact reason why you are facing that issue on your previous website, make sure you are not using any of the content you have on the website on the new website you are creating, so that you'll be able to run your advertisement. And again, if you know that you have installed a lot of plugins on your previous website, it might be better for you to create a new website without installing any plugin that you get from external sources. Make sure you install only the plugin you get from the WordPress plugins directory, and that way you will be able to install clean plugin without any problem, and you will be able to run your advertisement successfully. Now, if you are unable to create a new website, probably due to the cost, the next thing you might want to do is to go ahead and use free website. There are many free platforms that allow you to create a landing page for your business, and you'll be able to use the landing page to advertise your business right on Google. An example of those free platforms is Google Sites. I have used Google Sites a lot of time, and you can create very beautiful website on Google Sites. And another interesting thing about Google Sites is that you can use your custom domains on Google Sites, and this way nobody will know whether you are using the free website or not. You are only going to pay for the domain name, and this you'll be able to use that website to advertise your business. And again, another thing about Google Sites is that you will likely not get anything like a tag on that website. The website will be as clean as possible, and you'll be able to use that website to advertise your business without facing any problem on Google Ads. So these are the ways you can solve the problem of malicious software and get your advert running as soon as possible. If you are very serious with this, you can start doing it right now, and within the next few hours your advert will be live on Google and you start driving traffic to your landing page and then get more people for your business. I hope you learned something in this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section and I will address every single question. By the way, before I go, let me quickly mention to you that if you want me to handle your advertisement on Google, maybe you want me to do the research, set up and optimize and manage your advertisement, that is what I do every single day, and I'll be glad to work with you, helping you get the best result from your advertisement on Google. So if you want that to happen, go ahead and click on the link right in the description of this video and send a message to me, and I'll be glad to work with you. Thanks again for watching the video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and bye for now.